You know how it goes. I don't know if my eyebrows are too bushy. So there's only one way to sort this out, and that is with a poll on WhatsApp. We are going to create a vote right now, just using your phone on WhatsApp. And you might want to do this if you want to have a vote on certain options within your group. So the first thing we need to do is to go into the group chat. Now down here on my WhatsApp app, I have a paperclip. I'm going to click on that. That's because I have an Android phone. If you have an iPhone, you just click on the plus icon. And that opens up these options here for things to attach to your WhatsApp message to the group. But obviously we want this option here, poll. At the top here, we can type in our question, but you have to make your question less than 255 characters. Now we can type in our options. You can have up to 12 different options for your vote. Obviously for this one, I only need 2. No, keep them and grow them long, or yes, shave and trim them. It's really easy to add extra options. Just click on the add sign in the next box down. And you can even use these grab handles on the right hand side to rearrange the options into a different order. If you want to get rid of one of the options, just delete the text in the box and it should disappear. Now this is really crucial. There's an option down here to allow multiple options. Obviously I want a vote on my eyebrows, so I don't want my kids to be able to vote more than one way. So I've turned multiple answers off. Now I have my question and my 2 options ready. All I need to do is to click down here on the send button, and it then puts the poll into your WhatsApp group chat. And already my poll is ruined because my daughter has now answered this by text. This might happen to you. Please just click on the poll. I don't know which way this is going to go. This could go either way. Oh, we've got a vote in. So you can see my daughter has already cast her vote. I knew it would go this way. She has voted towards shaving my eyebrows off. Oh, we've got a second vote here as well. So if you want to see who voted which way, it's not anonymous. Just click on the faces here and it shows who voted for which option. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Congratulations! We can now set polls and votes on our WhatsApp group chats. If this video is helping, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here are all my other WhatsApp tips and tricks.